Just a few hours away awaits a holiday paradise for even the most seasoned of sun-seekers. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white sanded paradise where you and your loved one can get away from it all. With a bus stop nearby, all the local sites are easy to get to. For anyone feeling really adventurous, take a peek at the big beautiful world below us, with some of the best scuba diving in the world. Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. Is this beach calling your name? Then it's time to start packing.